Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch is unlocked and paired. This prevents interruptions when changing faces. On the iPhone, open the Watch app, or on the watch press and hold the current face to enter face selection. Once done, swipe left or right to preview installed faces, or tap the plus icon to access the full face gallery on the iPhone. Make sure Bluetooth is active so changes push instantly, and keep the devices close for a seamless update. After you choose a face, you must customize it to be useful. This is where complications and style matter. Tap Edit on the watch or select the face in the iPhone Watch app to change color, dial style, and complication slots. Rotate the digital crown to move between layers, then tap a complication slot to pick an app or data widget. Once you select options, press the crown or tap Done. These settings tailor glanceable data to your routine. To finalize, tap the face on your watch or choose Set as Current in the iPhone app so it appears immediately. If you want variants, use Add to My Faces to save multiple presets and sync them across devices. Make sure complications update by opening their apps once. Some need initial setup. If things go wrong, restart both watch and iPhone, toggle Bluetooth, and as a last resort unpair and repair. This clears sync issues and restores face management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.